गाइस, अगर आप 2026 में भी विंडोज यूज कर रहे हो देन योर पीसी इज बेसिकली स्पाइंग ऑन यू. विंडोज इज फोर्सिंग एआई अपडेट्स ऑन अस एंड ऑनेस्टली ऐसा लगता है कि हम अपने सिस्टम के ओनर ही नहीं हैं. बट व्हाट इफ देयर इज एन एस्केप रूट, एक ऐसा ओएस विच इज 100% फ्री, गिव्स यू कंप्लीट प्राइवेसी और आपके ओल्ड लैपटॉप पे भी आराम से चल जाए. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लिनक्स. बट वेट, लिनक्स इज स्टिल वायबल फॉर प्रोग्रामर्स एंड हैकर्स या नॉर्मल लोग भी इसे यूज कर सकते हैं इन 2026? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लोग अचानक से विंडोज को छोड़ क्यों रहे हैं? इन 2026, Microsoft is pushing AI everywhere. Features like Windows Recall are literally taking screenshots of your screen. Ads are showing up in the start menu. It's just too much bloatware. On the other hand, Linux is exact opposite. यहाँ कोई ads नहीं है, no forced updates, plus it uses very less RAM than Windows itself. So if your laptop is slow in Windows, Linux can actually perform better. Now the biggest question, can you play games on Linux? A few years ago, Linux gaming was a joke, but then something changed. Valve released the Steam Deck and they created a software called Proton. Because of Proton, 90% of Windows game can now run on Linux with just one click. And because the Steam Deck uses AMD hardware, Valve made sure AMD works perfectly on Linux. अगर आपके पास AMD का प्रोसेसर है या ग्राफिक कार्ड है, Linux is a dream. AMD drivers are open source and are built directly into the system. आपको कुछ इंस्टॉल नहीं करना पड़ता. You just boot your PC and it works flawlessly. With Nvidia, things are quite different. Nvidia के drivers up to 2024 closed source थे, due to which Nvidia is still behind in Linux and उसकी वजह से हमें 5 to 10% का performance hit मिलता है. But this performance is still playable. In the new distros that are coming out every year, this performance hit is getting even negligible. But it is not as perfectly as AMD is on Linux, but it is 100% playable. Now one more thing, whether you have AMD or Nvidia, if you play anti-cheat games like Valorant or Fortnite, they will block on Linux no matter what. तो I will just say competitive games खेलते हो तो Windows आपके लिए best है, आपको अभी Linux पे switch नहीं करना चाहिए. But let's be honest, Linux सबके लिए नहीं है. The biggest issue is professional software. अगर आपका job totally Adobe Premiere Pro या Photoshop पर depend करता है, then Linux is not for you because Adobe की maximum softwares Linux पे natively काम नहीं करते. हाँ, उनके alternative हैं. For example, for video editing, DaVinci Resolve runs natively on Linux and it is fantastic. Even मैं DaVinci खुद use करता हूँ videos edit करने के लिए and ये current video भी DaVinci पे edit हो रही है. But if you strictly need industry standard Adobe apps, you will face problems. Now, should you switch to Linux in 2026? If you are a normal user, a programmer or a gamer who tired of Windows tracking you, yes, definitely. It's fast, secure, and most importantly, gives you more freedom and it is more beautiful. And the best part is you don't even need to install it to try it. एक website है distroc.com. You can go there right now and test real Linux operating system inside your web browser for free. So what is stopping you from switching to Linux? Let me know in the comments. अगर video helpful लगी हो तो please hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.